This week, Assembly Bill 99 was introduced into the Nevada Assembly, sponsored and co-sponsored by the majority of the Republican caucus. This bill would repeat the failed experiment from 2015 by raising the threshold on prevailing wage projects from $100,000 to $250,000, dramatically reducing the number of prevailing wage projects for our workers. We've been down this road before, and the consequence was seeing our tax dollars and our jobs going to out-of-state workers instead of local contractors and local workers. Last time the Republicans tried a bill like this, we saw reduced apprenticeship opportunities, reduced wages, and reduced jobs for Nevadans. Assembly Bill 99 would hurt Nevada's hardest working men and women at a time when they can least afford it. Contact your representatives in Nevada's legislature as soon as possible and tell them to oppose Assembly Bill 99 as written. This is a direct attack on your wages and your jobs. Now is the time to stand up and protect Nevada's working men and women.